Hey my friend, how you doing? I unwound the last portion of my short natural gas trade today. This trade was so good to me. It exceeded my expectations. It was amazing. Natural gas got down pretty damn close to about $3.07 a cubic foot yesterday. At least as of about 12:39 today was a little bit higher. And I said, you know what? This is plenty low for me. Unwound the last of that very happily, and my member is very happy with that trade also. So as of the close of the market today, I am out of my natural gas trade. A little bit of patience on possibly going long natural gas. I did not buy natural gas today. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday, we shall see. But I'm just giving it a little bit of time to settle out here around what could be the bottom for natural gas. So a little bit of patience on the next natural gas trade. Gold was interesting today. Gold, at least as of about 12:55 this afternoon, itself was up, but the GLD, that very popular exchange traded fund that tracks gold, was down. And that's good for me because I want it to be down. If you follow me, you know I happily exited my long gold position just yesterday because it did not break out and make a new all-time high. It couldn't get above that prior all-time high close. That's why I sold my position. And now, so personally, I want gold to come down. I think it did today. I didn't look at it quite at about the close, but I believe gold was down today. And if gold can come down a little more, I will happily re-enter that gold trade and buy gold. But as of right now, I am not in a gold trade. I'm looking to buy more if we can get a little bit more of a sell-off. The S&P 500 again made a brand new all-time high. It was fractional, but another all-time high in the S&P 500. The Magnificent Seven, which often outperforms, certainly underperformed today because Tesla got so badly beat up because it did not do well in its earnings. But, Google earnings were pretty good, even though Google was down off of its highs of the day. So I realize one day does not make a trend, but so far, the earnings results of the Magnificent Seven companies have been interesting. Those companies, they have still done decently well, but the street, the people, want them to do even better. So the reaction to these Magnificent Seven company earnings has not been too great. Now, again, a couple days does not make a trend, but is this one of the signals that maybe or maybe not we are somewhere near maybe at least a short-term, medium-term top in this stock market? And with the 10 companies essentially holding up the entire index, not solely, but largely, and their response to their earnings, not so hot, is this a very slow beginning of the end? I don't know. I'm just mentioning it, but it'll be interesting to continue to watch. If you're wondering why, since yesterday, my videos look a little different and I don't even show the background behind me, I have not been in my office since yesterday morning. I actually have not been in my office since Tuesday evening. Some family things going on. I am with my mother right now and helping to take care of my stepfather, my mother's husband, who is in hospice care. And you know what that means. So if things look differently and my video is late today and whatnot, my apologies. I am trying to do two things at once. I am trying to help my mother and my stepfather and in this tough time, and also be with you and my clients and my members. So thank you for understanding that these videos are a little different than they usually are.
This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.